Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty opened beyond CPR level, but it was stuck in a CPR level only. So Nifty was consolidating and it closed with 65 points negative, whereas Banknifty was showing weakness today, closed with 461 points negative. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player are planned. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, yesterday they were having 74% long and 26% short. So today they have reduced the long, increased the short by 5%. They have 69% long, 31% short. Option index contract, they were having 1.79 lakhs contract of call buying. Today they have increased their call buying by 1.77 lakh contracts. So they have 3.57 lakhs of call buying. In put, they were having 2.69 lakhs of put buying by yesterday. Today they have increased the put buying by 1.96 lakh contract. So they have 4.65 lakhs of put buying. So slight negative they are in options and they have started booking profit in futures. And same thing we have seen, they started booking profit in cash market also. They have sold for 5,130 crores. Client are the retailers in future index. They were having 42% long yesterday and 58% short. So today they have increased the long, reduced the short by 5%. They have 47% long, 53% short. In option index at call, they were having 2.85 lakhs of call buying by yesterday. So they have unwinded most of their contract today and made a fresh call writing of 22,000 contract. And in put, they were having 4.82 lakhs of put writing contract by yesterday. Today they have increased their put writing by 2.15 lakh contract. So they have 6.97 lakhs of put writing contract. So slightly we can see the clients are becoming positive in futures, but they are super bullish in options. Whereas they have sold for 686 crores in the cash market. Proprietor in future index, they were having 27% long, 73% short. So today they have increased only 1% long, reduced 1% short. They have 28% long, 72% short. Option index, they were having 4.67 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 1.31 lakhs of call writing, still holding 3.36 lakhs of call writing. Input, they were having 1.71 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded only 17,000 contract, still holding 1.54 lakhs of put writing. So see, proprietor is showing the bearishness. There are negative now in options as well as in futures, whereas they have purchased in the cash market for 500 crores. So let's begin the technical analysis. Sorry I could not show that OI change today because that website is down today. So let's check the technical analysis. Nasdaq is down by 428 points. Dow is down by 383 points because the US Big Four company has released their bad earnings. India VIX is in control, 11.76. Banknifty in one day time frame, it has formed a top kind of a candle now, but still it's a negative candle it has formed today, and it is trading near a range of 50 EMA now. So as per Banknifty, the data is showing negative and also technical is also negative. So we will only think of sell on rise. Whenever market comes to 52,000 level, we can think of sell on rise, but we can go only long after 52,000 level on a higher side is sustained. Nifty in one day time frame, it has formed a doji kind of a candle, and as per technical it is bearish only, and as per data is also bearish, but it will trade in small range as per the data. It is sideways to negative, but I think tomorrow's expiry the Nifty will show some bearish direction, so we can keep in mind to sell on rise. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.